How to log in NetSpend account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for netspend.com. You will be led to the official webpage of NetSpend. Go ahead and tap on the Already Have a Card option. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Login option on the bottom. You will then be led to the Login portal of NetSpend. So, go ahead and enter your username and your password, and further tap on the Remember Username checkbox if you want the device to remember your login credentials. Further, tap on the Login button. With this, you will be logged in to NetSpend if the login credentials that you entered is correct. And if you have forgotten your username or password, tap on the Forgot Username or Password option and recover your password by following the on-screen prompts and log in further. So, this is how you can log in to NetSpend account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.